In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete duplicate photos in Google Photos. If your library feels cluttered with near-identical shots, screenshots you saved twice, or backups from multiple devices. This walkthrough will help you tidy things up and free storage without losing the pictures you actually care about. Start by opening Google Photos on your phone or visiting photos.google.com on a computer. And make sure you're signed in to the account that holds your images. It's easiest to review duplicates on a larger screen, but the steps work similarly on mobile. First, check the built-in cleanup tools. In the app, go to Library, then Utilities. Look for review cards like similar photos, blurry photos, or screenshots. Depending on your account, you may also see a duplicates or manage storage card. On the web, click the storage indicator in the left panel and choose Manage Storage. These sections surface likely duplicates or near duplicates so you can compare them quickly. Open a card, review the suggestions, and select the copies you don't need. When in doubt, keep the highest resolution version or the one with edits and captions. If you don't see a dedicated duplicates card, you can still find repeats fast. Use search to open categories like screenshots, downloads, or images from messaging apps. These folders often contain duplicates. You can also search by date to find repeated shots from the same event. When you spot a set of identical or nearly identical photos, long press or click the first one to enter selection mode, tap the others you don't need, then choose Move to Trash. You'll get a confirmation. Proceed to remove them from your main library. After a cleanup pass, open Trash or Bin from the sidebar. Photos stay here for up to 60 days, still counting toward your storage. If you're confident about the deletions, choose Empty Trash to free space immediately. If you need to restore something, you can do that from Trash before it's permanently removed. Here are a few quick tips while you work. If you shoot bursts or take multiple angles, consider keeping just the sharpest or best framed version and archiving the rest. The Archive feature hides photos from your main feed without deleting them, which is useful for receipts or reference shots you might need later. If you back up from multiple devices, check each device's camera and downloads folders to catch platform-specific duplicates. Repeat these scans every few months or anytime you import a large batch. With a few focused review sessions using utilities, managed storage, and targeted searches, you'll keep your Google Photos library clean, organized, and lighter on storage.